decide to walk on the top, I won't question your choice anymore. Just please don't ever look my way again. I tried to hold in the tears with a smile, but I hope that you can ask me why. Was it all these memories? And it's wonderful to me. You were never meant to be. Why not you?